A dive into South African slang. Hello, learners! Today, we're going on an exciting journey into the world of South African English. South Africa, with its rich history and blend of cultures, has given birth to a unique form of English. Today's highlight? Unique South African English slang. Slang is a type of informal language that might not be understood by every English speaker around the world. It arises from specific cultural and social contexts. In South Africa, English has taken on flavors from indigenous languages, Dutch, and other influences to create some fantastic slang. Here's a list of some vibrant slang words you might come across when chatting with a South African. 1. Braai, a barbecue or grill. South Africans love their braais. 2. Robot, a traffic light. Yes, in South Africa, you wait for the robot to turn green. 3. Lekker, nice, good, or great. It's a versatile term of approval. 4. Bakkie, a pickup truck. Useful for those trips to the bushveld. 5. Joel, a party or a good time. We had a great Joel last night. 6. Aish, an expression of surprise, frustration, or agreement. Aish, it's hot today. 7. Agman, oh man, used to show surprise, disappointment, or even delight. 8. Ja nee, literally, yes no, but it means, I agree, or, indeed. Now, how can you use these words in your conversation? Here are a few examples. 1. We're having a braai at my place tonight. Would you like to join? 2. I got stuck at the robot for ages. 3. The concert last night was really lekker. 4. My cousin just bought a new bakkie. 5. Are you going to the Joel at Jenna's place? 6. You finished the project in one night? Aish. 7. Agman, I forgot to buy milk. 8. This movie is longer than I expected. Ja nee. South African English, like all regional dialects, has its own charm and flair. By understanding and using these slang words, you can immerse yourself deeper into the culture and connect on a personal level with the locals. Remember, language isn't just about words, it's about understanding a way of life. We hope you enjoyed our dive into South African slang. Until next time, lekker learning.